Hello there, ladies and gents, boys and girls, welcome back. My name's Tom Dyer, and today we're talking about non-alcoholic or low alcohol or no alcohol cocktails. So today I'm going to show you how to make a mojito, a fantastically awesome mojito, and a non-alcoholic mojito. And I'm going to give you a couple of variations as well on this one. Welcome for those that are new to the channel. My name is Tom and I've been a bartender for over 20 years, and on this channel I'm going to show you how to make super delicious, awesome, amazing cocktails. So if you are new, smash that subscribe button and hit the like button to push this to more people so they can try out some of these awesome cocktails as well. I'm going to start with the alcoholic version to begin with. So we need a tall glass and plenty of mint. So when you're picking your mint off the leaves, always leave a little sprig like these bad boys right here. That's going to be your garnish. Right, so we need about 10 to 12 mint leaves. Give that a smack because it's naughty mint. Chuck that in the glass, and then we need some lime juice. Now, some people like to muddle the limes inside the glass because then you get the bitterness from the lime peel. I just prefer to squeeze the juice from the lime nice and strong, and you get a little bit of bitterness from that peel on the lime going into the drink as well. Lime juice, you need 30 mils or 1 ounce, and then sugar syrup, we're going to just have half of that, 15 mils or half an ounce. Now, if you ever made a mojito and it's ended up really watery with like this big puddle of water swimming with ice, I'm going to show you how to combat that. First things first, you want to fill the glass about 3/4 of the way with crushed ice. Now, don't be shy with your crushed ice because it will melt quickly and it's going to dilute the cocktail. So get the ice in there about 3/4 of the way, and now you can add your rum. We're going to have a large measure, that's 60 mils or 2 ounces, and a dash more. Now when you're churning, you want to make sure you're lifting up all the ingredients from the bottom and chopping up those leaves to release that minty flavour. Now from here, I like to add in my splash of soda. Splash. Then another quick stir. Simple as that. More crushed ice. More crushed ice. And then you don't end up with a drink swimming with ice, basically. Give you another top tip. If you're using paper straws, stick a couple of holes in the bottom of the straw. That means it was less likely to get clogged up when you drink it. Okay, remember those sprigs that we put aside? We've got these tall ones. Just want to snap off. I just twist. So we end up with a small bouquet, like so. Just flip that nicely next to the straw. Garnish with a lime wheel on the side. Yes, that is our mojito. As good as the day I first ever tried a mojito. Right, non-alcoholic mojito or mojito mocktail, very, very similar. Start with mint, give it a smack, drop it inside the glass. Lime. 30 mils of lime juice or 1 ounce, and again, 15 mils or half an ounce of sugar syrup. Okay, same as before. 3/4. Now, instead of rum, I've got here some non-alcoholic spirit. This is called Cedar's Wild. It's just what I picked up from my local spirit shop. You can use any non-alcoholic spirit available to you. Find one which you like, try it, taste it, get some advice from someone, but I'll also leave some links to some other non-alcoholic products which you can try yourself. Failing that, if you don't want to use a non-alcoholic spirit, the best alternative is cloudy apple juice. Some cloudy apple juice works really, really well. And failing that, you can just use regular apple juice too. So I want a large measure, again, 60 mils, splash more, and then we churn again. Splash soda, more crushed ice. Grab our mint sprigs again, twist, flick, inside the ride. We'll use a thin straw for this one. That is our Mojito mocktail, or non-alcoholic mojito. So there we go, the mojito, alcoholic mojito, non-alcoholic mojito. Let me know what cocktail you'd like me to do next video, and I'll do an alcoholic version and a non-alcoholic version for you. But that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate everybody who's subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. That really helps push this to more people who may want to try a non-alcoholic mojito. Don't forget to leave me a comment and all that lovely stuff. And until next week, see you then.